Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxing. It's going to be kind of a comparison of the two. I just started getting the BoxyCharm this month. This is my first month getting the BoxyCharm. I've been getting Ipsy for like 2 years, 3 years, something like that. And I just canceled my subscription to Ipsy so I could try out BoxyCharm because I can't afford both. So everyone knows BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and if you're interested in getting the BoxyCharm, there will be a link down below for you to do that. And then Ipsy is $10 a month. I'm going to show this like it's got my address on it. Ipsy is $10 a month, and we're going to show the difference between the two. I'm going to start with Ipsy because it's smaller. This is what the bag looks like. You always get like 4 or 5 products inside of a pretty little bag, which is cool. I've got so many of these makeup bags laying around. It's got this little cool thing right here. That's pretty cool. I like the bag. It's really pretty. I'd say it's more like New Year's Eve type. And you get the little card. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. And it has all the information on the back. And then let's see. Let's start with this. It is Nomad Around the World. Let's see. I've loved getting the Ipsy bag, but here lately, that's a really cute color. It's like a purplish. You can see that or not, but then it's got the kind of shine to it. Let's just do it like this. Oh, that's really like. Y'all see that? It's pretty. Very pretty. I'll definitely be using it whenever I wear like a purple, dark purple or something. That is cute. It's going in the drawer. We'll get all this stuff up. I always throw little boxes away because why do you need them anymore? It takes longer to get ready. Then we have this Lottie London or Lottie London. Is it Lottie? I think it might be Lottie London. AM to PM eyeliner in the shade Mocha. See, that's what I don't understand about Ipsy, because when you do the little survey thing saying what you like and what you don't like, it asks about eyeliner. And see, this hasn't even been opened yet. And I always said that I use black eyeliner. And they've been sending me a lot of colors and stuff. Which is okay, because I need to get a little bit more adventurous with my makeup. But this is in the shade Mocha. It's AM to PM, so I mean, that's it. And then let's see, it goes on very good, like very good, very easily. So that's a good thing. So there's that. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here, and then I had gained up enough Ipsy points, and when you earn up enough Ipsy points by going and doing reviews, like getting people to sign up through your referral link, then they'll let you buy something with your points. And I bought this, which it's got a little hair sticking out of it. Anyway, it's the Farrah. It's a Farrah 35E. I thought it was really pretty. I thought it would be really nice to. I like the way it's got the little finger things to mix it, you know. But yeah, I ordered that with my points, so it didn't actually come in the glam bag. I got this. It is I&M, hashtag I&M, frozen lipstick. And it's in Runway Red. I'm not huge on dark red lipsticks. Sometimes, like special occasions and stuff like that, I will wear like a bright red. Tore the box up. Wow, that is very pretty. I like the way they did the gold around the outside of it. Oh, no, I did not. I just dropped it in the floor. It probably just went all over my pants. 1 second. Got a little scuff mark on it from dropping it in the floor. And a little fuzz. And of course, dog hair from my dog Sally. But anyway, this is really pretty. Look at how that is gold and that is red. So let's just see. Wow, it's really, really red, y'all. Really red. Yeah, that'll definitely be a special occasion lipstick. Okay, next we have Quay Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. Refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. That should be pretty good. It is. I want to smell it. I always like smelling. Oh wow. That smells like really, really good. That is definitely a good product. Of course, I probably use this whole thing in one shower. I don't know. I probably wouldn't, but yeah. And then we have Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from IT Cosmetics. Good. This is this EB. Most of the stuff you get in Ipsy is sample size products. For $10 a month, you get 4 or 5, and sometimes you get a full size. Like this is full size product. I'm not sure if that would be a full size or not, because a regular eyeliner pencil is usually this long, and this one's this long. So I'm gonna say that's probably like a travel size or something. But then this is definitely a travel size, very small. And yeah, I know I'm weird. I always smell, see what it smells like. You never know. So that was all that was in our Ipsy bag. So you get mascara, lipstick, eyeliner. If I can hold this or not. The Quay body scrub and the little bitty single eyeshadow. So, which that eyeshadow, it'll last a pretty good while. I mean, Ipsy's not a bad deal. I'm not saying it's a bad deal, because I've loved getting the Ipsy bag for like 3 years. So, if you like stuff like that, just to try it out, it's awesome. But like I said, the problem with me, and then of course I got this with my points. The problem with me and Ipsy is the fact that they send a lot of, like, they're repetitive. I'm wiping this stuff off my hand for the next Boxy charm. They're very repetitive. Like, I get a lot of the same things over and over, and I get a lot of the same shades over and over, and it's just been really repetitive with Ipsy. So I canceled with them so I could try Boxy Charm for a while, because I heard so many good things about Boxy Charm. And Boxy Charm does full size products versus the trial size or sample size, travel size, whatever you want to call them, the little ones. So that's why I've canceled my subscription with Ipsy and started a subscription with Boxy Charm. So we're going to get started with Boxy Charm. It comes in a box like this. I have opened it, but I have not used anything in here. So you open the box, and this is the way it looks. It looks like this. You get a little card, which this month's card says, "'Tis the Sea Sun." Like season, sea sun, get it? But then it'll tell you on the back all the things that you get. And it always adds up to like $100 and something every time. So that's an amazing deal. Amazing. Why my camera just went dark, I have no idea. But first we have this Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. And it's very glittery. I don't know if y'all can see the glitter in it, but it is very glittery. I like it though. And then we have the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusted On Blush and Highlighter Palette. Can't even talk. Palette. I'm excited about this kind of stuff. I love full-size products, y'all. Because we all know it comes in a thing like this. And then you open it up. Wow, those are really pretty. It's got City Lights, Havana Nights, and Tuscan Sunrise. So, do a little swatch here. Well, that's really pretty. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it or not, but it's right there in the middle of my, I'll see my veins. Hang on. A little more. Y'all see that? I don't know, anyway. And Havana Nights looks like that. It's very blushy. And then Tuscan Sunrise is on my hand. It might be because my batteries are dying, but maybe it's showing up a little bit. I know I'm very pale right now, y'all. Very pale. But it comes with this cover, so we're going to put that back on there. Throw the box away. So this was worth, where is it? There it is, $26. So this alone is worth what I paid for the box every month. So very worth it. What else did I do? Oh, the Jante Blue glittering star eyeliner is worth $5. A little on the cheap side, but hey, still a full-size product. Next we have Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. Looks like this, and it was worth $14. I'm very excited about this because I don't have an eyeshadow base primer anywhere. And let's just see. It looks very pretty. Oh yeah, there's going to be a definite base. Can y'all see that? Wow. Yeah, I'm excited to use that. I'm probably going to do a tutorial on my BoxyCharm. Like a video using all BoxyCharm products that I got this month. Of course, I'll have to use other things too. Like liquid liners, stuff like that, eyelashes, because I didn't get any of that I've seen so far. So that's 1, 2, 3 products. Next we have Tarts. Oh, there's a hair on my hand, y'all. So we have the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in Insta Famous. Excited about this because I love Tarts. Throw that away. And it looks like this. Very, very pretty. I don't usually wear a lot of glosses, but I will. I think I put on my BoxyCharm test thing that I don't wear glosses, but anyway, it is what it is. And it looks like, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's right there on my hand. Anyway, it's like a glittery, yes, I just smelled it too. It smells pretty good. A glittery, it's like champagne almost looking. It's very pretty though. I'm gonna try to wipe this off because I don't like having gloss on hands. And then, is there anything else? I'm gonna unfold this. And there's one more thing in here. And this is Protege. Oh, the lipstick, the lip gloss, was worth $20. I love that they protect it with this stuff. Protege Suva Beauty. Ooh, wow. Is this? We'll take this off. Very, very pretty colors. Very pretty. We have Poetic, which is a very light, almost white shade. You don't even show up. Tact, T-A-C-T. T-A-C-T. It's a very white color. That's very pretty. And the structure is like a glittery color. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but very pretty. I like that one. I'm getting it all over my pants. Balance, which is a gold. What's that gold look? These are very pigmented too. I like that. Very pigmented. And then we have Aesthetic. We're gonna rub right there. That's pretty. Very pretty. And then we have Conscious, which is, put it right here on my, it's a brown color. Very pretty. So overall, those are very pretty, very, very pretty. And then we have Theory and Era. Theory is this white, this right here on my, I don't know if you see that or not, right there. That's very pretty. And then Era, I'm gonna guess these are like highlights. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So, we have this, which is a full-size product. It's a palette, eyeshadow palette. So I guess those are eyeshadows. They're very pretty, but they can maybe be used as highlight too. So this was our last product with the Boxy Charm. So I would say this, and this. These two. So these 5 products came in my Boxy Charm box. And I have to say I'm very, very, very happy with it because, and I would have to say it's definitely worth it. It's a lot more worth it than Ipsy. I'm sorry, Ipsy. I hate to do that to you. But I'm just going to give my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is Boxy Charm is well worth the $21 a month. So I'm very, very happy that I decided to go with Boxy Charm. And I can't wait to get next month. So I'm going to be doing these videos every month that I get the Boxy Charm box. And I hope you guys are subscribed to me so you can see those. I have not got to put up a new vlog yet, y'all. I had a terrible, terrible breakout right here. I have no idea what caused it. I've been taking care of my skin like I always have. I have started using a new face soap, which I was using every single night. Even if I did not wear makeup, I still used it every single night. So I'm thinking that might have had something to do with it. I'm not really sure. I started using the cream that the dermatologist gave me back a couple years ago. I started using that again. So it may have had like some kind of imbalance with me washing my face with that and then putting the cream on. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I had a terrible, I don't know if I can see it or not. You still see it a little bit. Terrible, terrible breakout right there. And it was red, splotchy. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it was terrible. But I have been kind of lazy and not putting makeup on for the last week because I wanted it to heal. So I've been treating it every single night, and finally the redness is going away. And I was like, okay, today I'm going to do this video. I was going to do it yesterday, but then some things come up and I needed to go with Greg. So today I was like, I have got to get this video done and get it up for y'all. So that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And remember, if you want to sign up for Boxy Charm, the link will be down below for you to do that. In case I don't see you guys before Christmas, have a very Merry Christmas. And I'll definitely see you before New Year's because I'm going to do a video of a New Year's Eve party makeup look. So y'all stay tuned for that. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you. Bye.